Hi, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another travel vlog. This was a one-day trip which we had made to a town named Marat, which is around 130 kilometers away from Riyadh city. In Marat, we would be mainly visiting Birul Walid, that's the well made by Khalid bin Walid, who was a strong warrior in Islamic history. I shall explain more about this before reaching the destination. Later from Marat, around 30 to 35 kilometers away, we visited a lake which is situated in the center of the desert, which is named as Lake Prodon. So off to today's trip. Before starting the trip, let's prepare a simple breakfast. This is a Kerala snack named Ilayada, which is made either with wheat flour or rice flour. Here I'm going to use wheat flour for this, and then given a coconut stuffing and then steamed. This can be either made as sweet or savory. Here I'm going to make a sweet version. For that I have taken here around 1.5 cups of wheat flour, then slightly season with some salt. Next add water little by little and form this into a paste. I shall show you the consistency now. Now see, this has to be the consistency, should not be too runny. Now mix this well to remove any lumps. You can also add this directly into a blender and just slightly blend it for a second. Now this is ready. Next let's move to the filling. Next we need some coconut and then some jaggery. The jaggery here what we get is not that good, so I'm just going to slightly melt it and remove the impurities. Once the jaggery syrup is slightly cooled, strain and take the quantity as per your sweetness. Then add the coconut and then mix. As I have added here the jaggery syrup, you can see it's slightly runny. So you need to cook this on flame for a few seconds. Before that, add some cardamom powder and a pinch of cumin seeds. Cook this for a few seconds until it will thicken and then remove. For preparing this ada, I am using here banana leaf. If you don't have banana leaf, you can also use aluminium foil. Slightly grease with some coconut oil. Now take a small portion of the dough and then thinly spread this. Make sure that you make it very thin, then only it will taste good. Never make this too thick. Next, place the filling on one side and close with the other side. Now this has to be steamed for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I have just cut this to show you the thickness. See how soft and tasty this is. So do try this and serve to your family.
പരമകാരുണികനും ദയാപരനുമായ അല്ലാഹുവിന്റെ നാമം.
So back to the history behind the place we are visiting, that's Marat. During the ruling of the Khalifa, that's Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu, at that time there was a person named Musaylima al-Khaddab who was pretending to be the next prophet, and also he created lots of problems which then later led to the Yamama battle. This battle was first led by Ikrimatul Abu Jahl, and upon his defeat led by Khalid bin Walid, who is known as the Sword of Allah. In this battle, 13,000 warriors participated. 1,200 of them became Shaheed and Muslims won the war. And Musaylima al-Khaddab was being killed by Wahshi ibn Harb. He is the same person who killed Hamza radiallahu anhu, that's Prophet's uncle, in the Battle of Uhud. That was before his conversion to Islam. In this battle, around 650 or more warriors who has completely memorized the Quran lost their life. It was then they thought of bringing together and then recording the Quran for the future generation. Before the Yamama battle took place, Marat was the place where Khalid bin Walid and his team camped, and due to the unavailability of water, this well, what we are going now, is being digged. So as it's digged by Khalid bin Walid, it got the name Beirul Walid or Walid's well. So now we stopped for Jummah prayer. Another important point to be noted is that this is one of the oldest and very few monuments which is still maintained and preserved as it is by the government. It said that there is still water in that well. So let's see. So now we have reached Marat. This is the town. Here you can see a mountain there which is written as Marat. We will be going firstly on the top of this mountain. There is a small rest area there. So we are planning to have our lunch from there. And I don't think we can spend more time there as the weather now outside is very hot. We will be able to get a good view of the whole town from the top of this mountain. So here you can see a beautiful entrance to this mountain. Beautiful and traditional look. Here they have provided private space for each families along with a barbecue area. I think it's better to visit this place either in the evening or when the weather is very cool. So you can maximum enjoy this place. So this is a view from the top, one side. And this is the view from the opposite side. Here you can see partially collapsed buildings or houses. These were actually Marat Souk. So the government, they have tried to maintain it as it is to maintain their heritage. So Khalid bin Walid well is also situated in this area. So now we have reached. I'm actually very anxious to know that whether there is still water in this well. Opposite to this, you can see the collapsed buildings which we have seen from the top of the mountain. So let's move inside. After entering itself, you can see a small mosque. The inner portion of this mosque is still mud, so as it's very hot outside, when we are inside this, really feels very cool. Coming out from the mosque, then we can find the well here. They have put grills all over and it's very deep. I can just zoom and show you there is very little of water there in this well, even in this hot weather. So mashallah, very happy to see this. Here all you can see they have tried maintaining the tradition as it is. Beautifully maintained. Moving forward in the same area, there is also a pond which is named as Imrul Qais Pond. Imrul Qais was a famous Arabic poet and also a traveler. The place now where we are in, that is Marat, was actually before known as Imrul Qais town. Here you can see the pond, but now because of this weather it's completely dried. It's not possible to enter this area as it's completely fenced by the government. And the other part of this pond is facing the main road. From here you get a good view of the mountain. For Imrul Qais, this pond and this mountain played a very important role in his poems. It was said that during the Yamama battle, the water from this pond was not enough. That's why Khalid bin Walid has dug that well, which we have visited now. From here now we are moving to Shakra, which is around 30 to 35 kilometers away. Few months back we had visited Shakra salt mine. I hope you have watched that video. So we are going to the same place but a different destination, which is in the middle of the desert. Look at this desert. It's beautiful and looks as if there is a mountain in the mid of this desert. The location to this place is shared to us by one of our friends. After traveling for around 35 kilometers, then we have to drive another 10 kilometers off-road. And for the location to this place, we were just depending on the GPS. It's not necessary to have a 4x4 to drive through this area. It's better to take a company of 2 or more vehicles while you drive through such area and never take the risk of driving alone. So after driving for exactly 10 kilometers, we have reached Lake Prodan. Beautiful and calm place. There are lots of fish in this pond. It was very late when we left the place. While leaving, I'll just show you what we have seen in this same pond. See these white spots which you can see on water. These are dead fish floating in water. Don't know what happened suddenly. When we came, there was nothing like that. Now when we looked at the water, you can see all this dead fish, around 4 or 5 big fishes. And here we can see lots of owls, very big, flying here and there. So anyway, we are moving from this place. There are 3 other vehicles along with us. So that's why we had stayed this much late. So anyway, we are moving from here. So that's all for today's video. If you have liked, do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.